Hi, so let's start with the demonstration part. So we have two aspects here. One is the face recognition and the database. So let's do the database first. So we have database here right now. So we have, if I show you the structure, we have four different main tables: known faces, faces occurrence, then the process faces, and the unknown face occurrence. So in known faces, we have all the data of the known faces which you have in a directory. Occurrence, if the known faces occur many times, we have the count of there, like this ID has occurred this number of times. Process faces has all the unknown faces which are detected live through the drone system. And if those faces occur multiple times, they will be here in this one. So let's go directly to our directory. So if you see the table known faces, we have nothing here right now. So let's add some faces and let's begin with a drone demonstration. So now I will run my file here, my all the system. So it's Django. So beginning with here, I will go to my database first, and you can see here three options: the manage face and everything. So manage faces, we have none right now. So let's add. So we will go and I will add mine first. So it will take time and it will add successfully. So we will add multiple pictures here, not only one. So now we will add another picture, mine, two picture of mine, and then with my group member pictures. So it says successfully uploaded, and then Kushaj. Second picture of Kushaj, and then Manav, our third member. And then one more picture of Manav. So it's a little accurate. More the pictures, more the accuracy. So database has been set, as you can see here. Now let's see our SQLite. Is it getting saved? So let's refresh it. And you can see here, we have all the images saved here. And if you see other folder, other tables, they are still empty because we haven't started anything yet. And it haven't detected any face. So there's no unknown faces here. So let's start the drone. One more thing, we have a feature of recording video. So as soon as the drone starts, it records all the video and save in your local directory. So here you can see all the videos here. So we have a number of videos recorded right now, and these are in the local directory of the drone folder. And that was everything. And we have night mode too. So now we will start the demonstration of the drone. Drone will fly. You will see an interface here. So it's connecting. It's connected. So we will run our interface, and let's see how's our interface with the drone. So this is the drone interface. We can control through the buttons. We have a battery status here and a live footage running here. So you can see the status updated right now. So now we will fly the drone. So you can see the drone is. So you can see the drone is here. So now we will come close to the Kushaj. So let's go. So more closer, and let's see if Kushaj get recognized, and we will see a notification here. So you can see Kushaj, and we get a notification Kushaj detected. So you can see unknown, and we have a detected unknown person. And now let's see the database first. So if we go here again on a database, so we see a database first. So the process faces. So if you can see here, it says we have unknown faces here right now, and it has timestamp 2. And if we go on occurrence, so face occurred here. And on the known faces, we have this one. And let's see timestamp. So database is working good because it accepting Kushaj, because we had Kushaj here, but not Eva. So Eva was sent to unknown faces. So everything. So this was about the face recognition. अब वापस से ड्रोन का दिखाना है प्रॉपर, रुक जाओ। ईवा से शुरू करते हैं, तो वापस से एक बार चल। रुक जा, अभी कनेक्ट है, डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया ये? कनेक्ट करिए वापस से एक बार। पोर्टल बंद हो जाएगा क्या उसके बाद? अभी पहले वीडियो एडिट कर दो जी।